So right now what I have here, and I don't know, again, my recycling, upcycling adventures. This is wax paper bags from cereal boxes. Anything that has the wax paper in, again, can be used to put bread in. Back in the old days when I was young, it was small wax paper bags that they made at the store. This was way before Ziplocs. And before that, my grandma used to have us wrap it up in sandwiches for lunch and stuff in wax paper. And yeah, they worked out really well. So right now, these are the cereal bags from different boxes of cereal. My sister's rolling. She's doing this so well. It's nice to have somebody besides me trying to do everything all at the same time here in the kitchen. But the same technique, fold the bag in half. Start off kind of with the whitest one, I guess. It doesn't really matter. And this, Robin.
Is that right, or it's easy to
see,
get
this is the
up.
end. You don't want to have the open end because air can get in here.
Okay.
And mess everything up. So now, Robin, what you're going to do,
Is
roll that up a little bit. And you're going to lay this one on top again.
Okay, yeah.
But see, again, you can see how that started wrong. Okay,
yeah.
Right here,
yeah.
That is because the seal is on it.
Okay, which way
So
do we go?
Start. Okay, now, that is not a complete cut there, see?
I didn't.
So, you didn't do it, I did it. But I didn't cut the rest of it off.
I didn't even do it.
There we
Oh,
go.
you're taking off the top?
Yeah, so it's not sealed at this end.
Oh.
The bottom end is sealed. Now, Robin, you can roll it easily.
Yeah.
So this goes here. Get it to the center here. Try to fold it in half as best you can.
I got it.
Okay? And the top end piece, the opened end, is right here.
Okay.
The sealed end is right down here. And air bubbles get in here. That's why you do it this way. You start rolling from the sealed end up to the top. And that way the air gets pushed out of the plastic or in this case, the wax paper bag. Okay, start rolling, Robin. And we have a few here. Not that many. But I'll have a place to put it later. Because I'm trying to organize a little bit.
Oh, look how easy this is going.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. Love y'all. Bye-bye now. It's a pink moon. I never heard of a pink moon before. Now let's take it all the way back down. Voila. See?